Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to short on Tradovate. Now to short on Tradovate, you basically come here and you use the sell market button on the chart. You can go ahead and just search for your symbol right here, whatever symbol you want, and then you just go ahead and choose your quantity, and then you click here on sell at market for an immediate short. As you can see right here, it shows up under my positions. Or what you could do is you can click on this gear cog. You can set up ATM settings by turning this on, and you can go ahead and set up bracket orders with profit targets or stop losses here. As you can see, take profit plus stop loss. You can set those up. Then you click on save, and then once you go ahead and just click on sell at market, it will go ahead and take into account that bracket order you had set up. Really that easy, and that is how to short on a Tradovate. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Guides Archive. It really helps me out as well.